and we're at the hospital. The registration is right here. Now just get in here. This is his room, sir. Get in there! Get out of What's that? Get out of my car now! I don't know where I am, homie. Actually, where is my daggum destination? And you will freaking I pulled you to your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's freaking over. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now! Why are you yelling at me, homie? Because you won't freaking get out of my car! But you're not supposed to yell at me. You have to 9-1. Get out! What? Freaking now! Get out of my car! I'm freaking a freaking moron! Get out! Now! No! Yeah, I will freaking talk to you any daggum way I want. Really, nigga? Yes, I freaking will. And I had the right. Where am I? You're at the hospital. Get out of my car. Hello? Will you get in my car, please?